Okay, so citation. This is now your discussion. You relate. Discussion is uh, relating your findings to the related literature. You do this repeatedly, or the same process you will do in question number 2, number 3, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, very good. This is a very rigorous and very diligent group that they were able to finish the manuscript despite of the cancellation of classes. And then here is the discussion. The discussion is based on you capsulate the findings and then you discuss it. The dominant findings, you will discuss it. And after that, because we are using this meta-synthesis in uh, uh, in preparation for your scientific